Hi everybody, it's Masters of Steam and Dry Cleaning. I just come across this problem a lot lately, that people putting rugs and mats in top of carpet. Avoid using these because this is a discoloration from a mat that been put in top of the carpet, laid on top of the carpet. Now avoid using it because it will cause discoloration, and this is unremovable stains. Most likely these stains will not be removed. This is number one. Now some people will say, okay, we'll use a rug without colors or a rug that does not cause discoloration. I will say do not use it for many reasons. Number one reason, it will build the traffic around the rug, so the carpet will look, when you're moving out or something, the carpet will look discolorations as well. For example, it will be high traffic in here, and under the rug, when you move the rug, it will be very clear and clean. And there is no way you can make that patch with the high traffic again as a brand new, because it's age and wear and tear. And it's a very livable atmosphere for all bacteria and germs if it's on top of each other. So if rug on top of a carpet, it is a livable atmosphere for bacteria, and you don't want this. So you don't advise, please guys, don't put rugs on top of carpet. You might lose your bond if you are renting, or you might need to change your carpet if you are a landlord. Do not put rugs on top of carpet. Thank you guys.